Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor, ready 17 left, 4 circuits.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. And strobes. And it's 15 past, so I'll have to do 4, at least. Runner up on the arrows, go to full power, feet off the brakes. Speed's alive. Temperatures and pressures, we have revs, 40 knots. 50, 55, 60, and we're flying, and I'm in instruments now. Degrees nose up.
Engine to Tango turns downwind for touch and go.
About 80 knot climb. ADS speed.
Tango follow Cessna late base.
Engine to Tango.
Feet. It'll turn. 25% outside, 75% in here. Beautiful and smooth. Okay, roll her out.
Moorabbin Tower, Cessna 172, Echo Oscar, Papa, ready, holding point, Golf runway 17 left.
Okay, lower the nose.
Right hand turn for downwind departure.
1,000 feet.
Echo Oscar, Papa.
Speeds up, power back.
Echo Oscar, Echo, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Echo Oscar, Echo.
Bravo Sierra Victor, turning downwind, touch and go.
Bravo Sierra Victor, follow Cherokee, turning base.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Echo Oscar, Papa, line up.
Line up, Echo Oscar, Papa.
Okay, there's my runway, 1,000 feet, trim it down a little bit. No brakes. Undercarriage. Mixture mast to mags. Landing lights on. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Hatches and harnesses are secure. And there's my traffic.
Echo Oscar, Papa, clear for takeoff, make right turn.
Clear takeoff, right turn, Echo Oscar, Papa.
November Tower, November Kilo Lima 3, holding point Golf 17 left for second.
November Kilo Lima.
Okay. That's my traffic, power back.
November Kilo Lima, line up.
Stage, 2 stages, and
November Kilo
turn.
Lima.
Following my traffic.
November Kilo Lima, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, November Kilo Lima.
850, 70 knots. Get rid of that noise. 700 feet. There's my traffic.
India Juliet Tango, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, India to Tango.
Hey. Knots, give it a bit of room.
No touch and go.
Oscar, Echo.
touching down now. 300 feet.
Bravo, Sierra Victor, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Bravo, Sierra Victor. $65. 2 knots from the right.
November Kilo Lima, downwind 17.
Back.
Touching go.
November Kilo Lima, follow Cessna, late downwind.
November Kilo Lima.
Main flaps up. Power. 55, 60. And flying. Instruments. Lima traffic up ahead, turning. Crosswind. Feet.
Oscar Echo, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Echo, Echo.
I'm catching this guy real fast.
India Joe Tango turns down, report touch and go.
Zero Tango, follow Cessna, late downwind.
India Joe Tango.